Today's French lesson is all about polite words and phrases. To help you remember more easily, I've organized them into easy-to-follow categories. Bonjour tout le monde. Welcome back to another French lesson on Sam's English to French Lab. As always, we follow our 5 golden formulas: learning, listening, repeating, thinking, and practicing. The key to learning French easily and effectively. Let's begin with the first category, greetings. In French, there are 2 common polite ways to say nice to meet you. First is enchanté, which literally means delighted, and ravi de votre connaissance, which means pleased to make your acquaintance. Repeat after me to practice your pronunciation. Enchanté. Enchanté. Ravi de votre connaissance. Ravi de votre connaissance. Here's an example in conversation.
Bonjour, je suis Monsieur Dubois.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Sophie Martin.
Ravi de votre connaissance.
Moi de même, Monsieur Dubois. Now let's move on to polite ways to say thank you, and how to respond. I'm sure you must have heard this word before. It's merci, which means thank you. Let's practice saying it. Merci. Merci. Here's a simple dialogue for you. Merci pour votre temps.
De rien.
De rien is a casual and friendly way to say you're welcome in French. Another polite and slightly more formal way to respond is je vous en prie. Let's pronounce it together. De rien. De rien. Je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. Here is another example. Merci pour le café.
Je vous en prie.
Next is a more emphatic way to say thank you. Merci beaucoup. It means thank you very much. Try saying it out loud with me. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Here's a simple example.
Merci beaucoup pour le cadeau.
Avec plaisir. Or you can also say, ça me fait plaisir, which means it's my pleasure. Repeat with me for better pronunciation. Ça me fait plaisir. Ça me fait plaisir. Another polite way to show your appreciation is by saying, c'est très gentil de votre part, which means, that's very kind of you. Say it with me. C'est très gentil de votre part. C'est très gentil de votre part. Let's look at a short dialogue.
Voici le document.
C'est très gentil de votre part. Now let's look at how to make polite requests in everyday French. Let's begin with a very important phrase. S'il vous plaît, which means please in a formal way. Repeat after me. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. And if you're speaking informally with a friend, family member, or someone your age, you can say, s'il te plaît, which also means please, but in a casual, friendly way. Say it with me. S'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. Let's take some examples.
S'il vous plaît, pouvez-vous m'aider?
Oui, bien sûr.
Tu peux m'aider, s'il te plaît?
Oui, pas de souci.
Our next phrase is, pouvez-vous répéter? This phrase is very useful when you don't understand something. It means can you repeat? Practice with me to improve pronunciation. Pouvez-vous répéter? Pouvez-vous répéter? Let's go through an example. Je ne comprends pas. Pouvez-vous répéter, s'il vous plaît? Je parle un peu français.
Oui, je vais répéter lentement.
Here's another handy phrase. When you need someone to clarify or explain something, a polite way to ask is, pouvez-vous m'expliquer? Which means can you explain to me? Repeat after me. Pouvez-vous m'expliquer? Pouvez-vous m'expliquer? Take a look at this example.
Je ne parle pas très bien le français. Pouvez-vous m'expliquer, s'il vous plaît?
Bien sûr. Je vais vous expliquer doucement. Now, let's go over a few polite French phrases for apologies and excuses. Let's begin with a very useful phrase in French. Excusez-moi. It's often used to politely get someone's attention, just like saying excuse me in English. It can also be used to say I'm sorry in a polite way. Say it with me. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Now, here are two examples.
Excusez-moi, parlez-vous anglais?
Oui, je parle un peu.
Excusez-moi, je suis en retard.
Ce n'est pas grave. Another useful word is pardon, which means pardon in English. Let's focus on pronunciation. Pardon. Pardon. For example, pardon, je n'ai pas entendu.
D'accord, je répète.
Let's continue with another useful word. Désolé, which means I'm sorry in French. It's a polite way to apologize. Here's something important to know. If a man says it, it's désolé. And if it's a woman speaking, the word becomes désolé, with an E at the end. But don't worry, the pronunciation stays exactly the same. The difference is only in writing. Practice with me to improve pronunciation. Désolé. Désolé. Let's go through a simple example.
Désolé, j'ai fait une erreur.
Ce n'est pas grave, ça peut arriver. Finally, let's look at polite farewells. A very polite way to say goodbye is au revoir. Another one is à bientôt, which means see you soon. Repeat after me. Au revoir. Au revoir. À bientôt. À bientôt. Let's look at a quick example.
Je dois y aller. Au revoir.
À bientôt. For more on greetings and goodbyes, I've made a separate video. Make sure to check it out. The link is in the description below. Alright. Now it's time for a quick and fun quiz. We'll use our final lab formula, practicing, to lock in what we've learned. Choose the correct French word or phrase for each of the following English phrases. Here's your first question. You're welcome. Je vous en prie. That's kind. C'est gentil. I don't understand. Je ne comprends pas. Please. S'il vous plaît. It's not a big deal. Ce n'est pas grave. It's my pleasure. Ça me fait plaisir. No problem. Pas de problème. Can you repeat? Pouvez-vous répéter? Nice to meet you. Enchanté. Excuse me. Excusez-moi. Before we go further, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay informed. Alright, let's continue. Next question. I speak a little English. Je parle un peu anglais. Can you help me? Pouvez-vous m'aider? Thank you for. Merci pour. You're welcome. De rien. Do you speak French? Parlez-vous français? Pleased to meet you. Ravi de votre connaissance. It's very kind of you. C'est très gentil de votre part. Please. S'il te plaît. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Do you speak Spanish? Parlez-vous espagnol? Got them all right? Drop your score in the comments below. I hope today's lesson was helpful. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more.